Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Naina from Life Care Homeopathic Clinic and I welcome all of you to my clinic. So today we will discuss an important topic, ganglion and its homeopathic treatment. This is how the ganglion look like, as you can see in the images. So let's understand what is ganglion. Ganglion cyst is a small sac of the fluid that is formed over the joints. It is thick, sticky, clear, colorless fluid, jelly-like, and it is also known as a Bible cyst. Bible cyst, more common in women aged from 20 to 40. Now the cause of ganglion, it is due to the trauma, breaking off of the joints, forming a small cyst, and obviously a mass is formed and that bulge out, that form a ganglion. Now the symptoms of ganglion, the cyst appears as a bump, usually size 1 to 3 centimeter, and there is a pain. The swelling may also appear over a time, and the pain is of chronic character. There may be weakness in the affected part. When to seek a medical care, ganglion is not an emergency treatment unless it is due to the trauma. You can go for the routine checkup to an orthopedist, that is enough. Now prevention, early evaluation is required, and usually people go for aspiration of the ganglion cyst, but I'll advise go for the homeopathic treatment for the permanent cure of the ganglion, as it usually reoccurs. Now gentle massage of the ganglion cyst can help the cyst to grow smaller and encourage the fluid to move here. Now how can we diagnose? The physical examination required ultrasound of the ganglionic cyst. MRI can be done. Now the homeopathic treatment, Calcarea fluor for the ganglion at the back of the wrist, ganglion of the knee. Ruta can be given for the ganglionic cyst. There is numbness, history of injury is there, pain in the wrist. Rustox to manage the pain of the wrist, the pain which worsens the cold. There is burning sensation, numbness along with the pain. Rhododendron for the wrist pain, which works in the evening time. Rest also works the pain. Then Silesia for the left side of the ganglionic cyst. There is tearing, stitching pain. Then Calcarea calf for the ganglionic cyst on the right side. Then Arnica, ganglionic cyst due to the injury, drawing, tearing pain which may be felt. Then Causticum, ganglionic cyst with numbness, tearing pain, muscle weakness. So here we come an end. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and my clinic link is in the description. Don't take your homeopathic medicines on your own, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button for getting the more videos. Thank you. Take care.